15 degrees Celsius, and there is a good 5mm gap between the trunk and the spoiler on the Aeroflow Dynamics Duckbill version 3. Once again, there you can see a good 5mm gap between the trunk and the spoiler. Now I'm going to come back in about 2 hours when it's a bit warmer, and we'll check to see what the gaps look like then. 23 degrees Celsius, and as you can see, the Duckbill version 3 from Aerodynamics wing is now sitting perfectly flush. We'll go around to the other side. There you go. As the car is cooling down, it looks like the wing is starting to shrink again. Okay, so it's currently about 32 degrees outside, and I'm going to try a little experiment here. I'm going to pour cold water from the well onto the spoiler to see if it'll contract or shrink. Currently, the spoiler's surface temperature is reading about 53 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I've got the spoiler now down to about 15 degrees. That's about as low as I can get to go by running this water on. And as you can see, it's now lifted a good 5 or 6 millimeters or so off of the trunk of the WRX.